Hi, before we start with the video, make sure to join the Discord server, Strawberry Cafe. Reasons why you should join this server is because we host frequently Nitro giveaways, have an active chat and many unique features. The link is in the description down below. Now let's begin with the video. In this video, I will show you ways to grow your Discord server. I will show free ways, and I will show paid ways. Always keep in mind that it doesn't matter which method you use, it's always taking a long time before your server really has growth in their member count. Some methods are quicker and better than others, but every method takes time and effort. Your server is not going to grow if you don't take the time for it or work for it. The first way is through partnerships. A partnership in Discord is when two servers post each other's server advertisement with server link in a channel called partners. They do this with a ping or without. Most of the time they do this without ping. Partnerships are a great way to gain more members and it's a free method. But you must keep in mind that this way takes time and effort and you have to do multiple partnerships every day for a few months to really gain a few hundred or thousand members. If you are taking the time and effort for it and do a lot of partnerships every day, you can after 1 year or 2 years gain around the 7,000 members or more. The second way to grow your Discord server is through paid partnerships. Paid partnerships are partnerships done by someone else, by a partnership manager. They offer packages for a few thousand partnerships or a few hundred invites. The invites means that they are going to get partnerships for your server until they reach the invites you're ordered. Partnership managers are one of the cheapest paid ways to grow your Discord server. Here are the prices of a partnership manager who works for me. If you also want to hire this partnership manager, you can join my Discord server and send me a DM about it. The link is in the description. Now you are probably wondering how partnership managers get so many partnerships and so fast. They get partnerships through a method called mass partnering. Mass partnering is when the partnership manager joins another partnerships manager's server and they have all the servers they work for there. Then the partnership manager posts partnerships there. After you posted their servers, they post your link in each server. Another way to get more members in your Discord server is through listing websites. There are multiple listing websites, but the best one is disboard.org. The link is in the description. I suggest you only use Disboard. Other people will recommend you to get on the most listing websites you can, but this is not a good way. Disboard is almost the only listing website that really works. I tried multiple listing websites myself, but the only website that got me more members was Disboard. If you got your server on the listing website, Disboard, you have to invite their bot to your Discord server and run the /bump command multiple times per day. This method will get you a few hundred members after a few weeks or months. Another way to get more members in your Discord server is through bump bots. Bump bots are a great way to grow your Discord server. Like the listing websites, they will get you a few hundred members in weeks or months. How does it work? Personally, I use 2 bump bots. I use one bump and share me. The links of the bots are in the description. Once you invited the bots to your server and have set up your server in the bump bot, you have to run the /bump and /share commands multiple times per day. Every time you use the commands, the bots will share your server to all the servers where the bots are in. The bots are in a few thousand servers, so your server will be shared to a lot of people. One of the best and most fast method is paid advertisements. This method can give you thousands of members in just weeks or days. Paid advertisements are sold in servers with a lot of members. The servers has mostly around the 30,000 and 100,000 members. One of the things they sell are giveaways. They will host a Nitro giveaway and the requirement to enter the giveaway will be to join your server. They also sell welcome DMS. Every time a user joins their server, they will get a DM from a bot with your server link in it. Your server will be shared to a lot of people since their servers get a few thousand members every day. They also sell guaranteed joins. They put your server in their welcome DMS and host giveaways with the requirement to join your server. until they got you the joins you ordered. The server where you can order those paid advertisements are in the description. In that server you can see all the prices and buy an advertisement. Another method is through giveaways for giveaways. This is a great method to get a lot of members in your Discord server very fast. You do not only want a lot of members in your Discord server, but you also want them to be active in your server. With this method you will get a lot of active members. Of course, the activity of the members also depends on what kind of server you have. How does this work? You find active servers and ask the owners if they want to do a giveaway for giveaway. You can talk to each other about the prize of the giveaway. Most of the time it is Nitro Basic or Normal Nitro. Once you agree with each other, you both post a giveaway in your server with the requirement to join their server. The best way to do this is with active servers who get around the 100 giveaway entries in 10 minutes. This is a method that you can't find on the internet, so be sure to share this video with your friends. This is the last method I will give you in this video. You have to make sure the quality of your server is good. You can follow all these tips and put time and effort into it. But if you have the worst server of the world, people will not join and stay in your Discord server. So make sure you have an organized Discord server with channels where people can play games and have fun with each other. Also make sure you have a welcome channel where every time someone joins the server, there will be a welcoming message in that channel through a bot. There are many tips on this YouTube channel about how to set up a good Discord server, such as making reaction roles, welcome messages, verification systems, and a lot more. So make sure to check the channel out for more videos related to tips for a good Discord server. A few good videos will also be in the description. This is everything you need to know about growing a Discord server. Thanks for watching, and remember to join the Discord server Strawberry Cafe and the Discord server that sell paid promotions. The links are in the description. Bye!